Hi guys, here most of them get answer 405 for this problem. Wrong order here. 2 plus 3 is 5 times here 4 plus 5 in bracket whole power 2. Here 5 times here 4 plus 5 is 9 to the power of 2. Here 5 times 9 square is 81. Here 5 times 81 is 405 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operations PEMDAS, this 405 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation to solve this problem in correct order. Here this is a bracket, this is E exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication and division both are equal priority. Also this addition subtraction both are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce this left to right rule in the problem. Now, we are going to solve this problem in the correct order by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here, as per this order of operations PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority. So, we have to do this bracket before this operation here. 2 plus 3 times here 4 plus 5 is 9 to the power of 2. Here the next priority is the exponent. So we have to do this 9 to the power of 2. Before this addition and multiplication here 2 plus 3 times here 9 square is 81. Here the next priority is multiplication and division. Here we have multiplication. So we have to do this multiplication before this addition here 2 plus here 3 times 81 is 243. Now this 2 plus 243 is 245 is the correct answer.